I'm Tammy Hoyer, Assistant Director of the Undergraduate Research Center. Our office is located in 2300 Student Community Center. You can see our website on the monitor at urc.ucdavis.edu. The mission of the Undergraduate Research Center is to empower students to find research opportunities and provide them with resources to hone their skills that are vital to success as a researcher. Before we talk about the 1, 2, 3 ABCs of undergraduate research, I wanted to bring up who can conduct research. Research is open to all students in all majors, and it's okay to find a research project outside of your major. Just find a faculty member to work with, and this includes professors in our graduate and professional schools. You also need to know what you're interested in. The first stop is to read, 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 search, search, search. Look for news articles, class materials, popular research journals, journal articles, and talk to people. Ask your advisor, your TAs for suggestions. Get to know your local librarian. And if you're not sure, try more than one project before you graduate. So finding a position is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Number 1 is make a list of possibilities. This is a list of professors maybe you've had classes with, TAs you might have had laboratories with, or others that you might be in contact with that are possible people that you could connect with to do undergraduate research. Step 2, read their websites, their papers, journal articles, or books, and look at all of those people that you're interested in. And then, step 3, contact the professors. And you can do that by either attending office hours or emailing them. The second part of this is finding a research position, easy as ABC. A, accountability. Professors want to know that you're going to show up and be on time. They also might speak to you about conducting a 199 or 99 independent research project for credit. And credit means that you can earn variable units for pass, no pass credit to demonstrate your accountability to the professor, as well as to show that you're interested in their project, and it makes a permanent record on your transcript to show that you've been engaged in research. B, be engaged. Demonstrate initiative. Ask good questions. Let the professor know that you're genuinely interested in the work that they're conducting. And C, commitment. Professors want to know that you're committed to their projects for 2 to 3 quarters and for 6 to 10 hours per week. When you contact the professor, you're going to want to practice good email etiquette. So here's an example of anatomy of a bad email. And this one just says, "Hi, I'm interested in working with you. Thanks," and the name. Now, this is not a very good example because it looks like a spam email that could have been sent out to hundreds of professors at one time. So let's look at the anatomy of a good email. So you'll want to have a salutation of "Dear Professor" and put the professor's name in there so they know that it's addressed directly to them. In the body of the text, you're going to want to identify who you are, your class level and your major, why you're interested in working with that particular professor, what do you want from this situation in terms of how many hours per week and how many quarters, and what skills or proof do you have that you are ready to conduct research with this professor. And then you want to thank them for listening, put a sincerely or best regards, your name and contact information. To go through these steps in more detail, our office offers one-on-one 30-minute appointments for advising, where we do academic planning, we investigate opportunities and identify interests, give tips for contacting faculty research sponsors. We also encourage you to utilize our website at urc.ucdavis.edu. So in this process of research, what will you discover?